In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dictation in Gmail. This feature is particularly useful for those times when typing out an email just seems too slow or cumbersome. With dictation, you can simply speak your message and watch as it magically turns into text on the screen. It's not only a convenient tool, but can also save you a ton of time if you're often on the go. So let's dive into the steps that will get you dictating in Gmail in no time. First things first, you'll need to install the Dictation for Gmail extension in Google Chrome. Head over to the Chrome Web Store, which you can easily find by searching online. Once there, search for Dictation for Gmail and click on the option to add it to Chrome. The installation process is quick and straightforward, and once completed, you'll see the extension added to your browser's toolbar. Next, open up Gmail in your Chrome browser. If you don't have Gmail bookmarked, simply type gmail.com into the address bar and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, it's time to compose a new email. In the Gmail interface, you'll find the Compose button, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to open a new email window. Now comes the exciting part. With the Dictation for Gmail extension installed, you'll notice a microphone icon at the bottom of the email composition window. Keep in mind that this microphone icon is your gateway to hands-free typing, so locate it and get ready to start dictation by clicking on it. Once you click the microphone icon, begin speaking clearly into your device's microphone. It's crucial to enunciate your words and speak at a natural pace to ensure that your voice is transcribed accurately. As you speak, you'll see your words appearing as text in the email body. It's almost like magic, but really it's just the advanced speech recognition technology at work, transforming your spoken words into written text. If at any point you need to pause or stop the dictation, just click the microphone icon again. This toggle feature allows you to control when your words are transcribed, offering flexibility and ensuring your message is just right before hitting send. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily dictate emails in Gmail using the Dictation for Gmail Chrome extension. Remember, practice makes perfect, and as you get more comfortable with speaking your emails, you'll likely find this method to be faster and more efficient than typing. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Gmail's dictation capabilities. Happy emailing!